Welcome to Leiths. It's our usual busy day. Come on in and take a look.
Morning.
Good morning. Oh, these look amazing. The ingredients have arrived for the day. They arrive fresh every morning. We carefully select them to ensure they're the best quality, and these today look great. Okay, come on, let's see where the action happens. This is the Leiths kitchen in full flow. This is what Leiths life is all about, the energy and drive in this room. All of us here at Leiths are hugely passionate about teaching and sharing knowledge from our work in the food sector.
Classical training is very much the bedrock of what we do at Leiths.
Everywhere I've worked, everyone knows Leiths. They know you have a certain grounding in classical technique and skill.
I think in restaurants, if you mention you've been to Leiths, I think they know that there is a standard to expect from you. I also, when I was at St John, I had a few stagiaires come from Leiths, and you could really tell the difference.
What I think sets Leiths apart is the fact that we are constantly evolving what we teach and modernising.
Our founder, Prue Leith, her vision was really straightforward. It was about techniques and flavour and ingredients. We're custodians and we are constantly changing and evolving.
Leiths creates the talent to drive change in food. Just take a look at our alumni, startup entrepreneurs, food developers, food writers, journalists and chefs. This is where they discovered their culinary potential, just like I did.